Hi, I'm Sam Ross with Sky's Limit Printing and Sign Company here in Port St. Lucie. One of the biggest questions we get here is how much does a vehicle wrap cost? Well, the honest answer is it depends. It depends on, it's like buying a vehicle. Not every price fits every project. The cost depends on the size of the vehicle. How much of it you want wrapped? Is it going to be a partial wrap? Is it going to be a full wrap? What type of vinyl are we going to use? Whether we're installing a simple wrap or a simple design or a full custom wrap. For small vehicles, you might spend about $1,000 to $2,000. On a full wrap on a car, usually falls between 3 to 5,000. SUVs, pickup trucks, trailers, box trucks, they're gonna cost even more. You have more surface to cover, more vinyl, so you're gonna spend more money in installation time. One of the things that people don't realize that the design itself is just as important as the installation. If you have a professionally designed vehicle that grabs attention, you're going to grow and you're going to make business off of that. It might cost less up front if you use a less expensive design, but the better wrapped, the better it is. And the condition of the vehicle also matters. So if you come to us and you have paint, peeling, or you have dents or scratches or things like that, we're going to tell you to get it repaired before we go ahead and put vinyl on there. We need a smooth finish. And then they always ask us how much, how long does a wrap last? Well, it depends on the quality and the installation, the type of vinyl. If you're washing it, regularly, keeping the extended the line of the wrap, you're parking in the shade as much as you could. In most cases, it's absolutely important to get a vehicle wrapped because think about how many people are going to see your vehicle every day. Whether you're parked in a parking lot or at the bank or working at the house, somebody's house where your truck is in the driveway. People are driving by and they need your services. If your truck is bare and doesn't have a wrap on it, no one's going to know. That's why you always see these contractors and landscapers and painters always have their vehicles wrapped. They know how important it is. So, but don't look at the price all alone when you get an estimate. Find out what type of vinyl they're going to use, what kind of graphics are being laminated, who's doing the installation. Do they have experience in wrapping? And professionally installed wrap should look great and last for years. So if you're thinking about wrapping your vehicle and would like a quote, I'd be happy to help. Give us a call at 833-340-1090. We'll answer your question, explain your options, help you choose the best solution for your budget and your business. Thanks for watching. I'm Sam Ross, and I hope this video helped answer the question, how much does a vehicle wrap cost in Florida? If there's another question you'd like me to answer about vehicle wraps, printing, marketing, leave a comment and I'll try to answer those. And give us a call at 833-340-1090. And I hope this answers some of your questions about vehicle wraps.